Hello guys. Here we have a Dell. Anyway, let me show you what we have. What is our issue with this lovely Dell? I remember very well I had this machine myself, and it was nice, easy, smooth. I've never had any issue with this machine. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's repair this one. Let's see what is the issue with this Dell. Okay, it's turning on. We have everything on the screen. It's loading Windows. Okay, anyway, let me tell you the issue with this PC. Now I remember very well. The owner said this machine, it does turn on, but it doesn't reach desktop. It's got some sort of a RAM issue, something like that. So let's see. Okay, there's 4 gig RAM here inside. Let's take another RAM. Maybe let's use let me think, another 4 gig. Let's make it 8 gig. Hey guys, I have 2 RAMs here with me. Let's take one RAM. Okay, let's use this. Right. Okay, let's turn on the machine again. This time, let's observe what is the issue actually. So you connect the charger. Step number 1, the charger has been connected. Step number 2, press the power button and the machine is loading. Let's see what we have. Let's see why it doesn't reach a desktop. I want to understand everything. I want to see everything step by step. Hope you can see the lines there. Something wrong with the screen. Okay, this is the issue actually. It freezes. Okay, no worries. Let's close it up. Let's remove this RAM. Let's try with this RAM. Okay, it went off. Now it's turning on again. Okay, it's preparing. Let's turn it on one more time. I want to see what exactly is going on, because guys, step number 1, you have to observe, try to understand what you are dealing with, because you can't repair what you don't understand. You need to understand first. You need to examine everything first. Okay, I hope you can see it's trashing. Okay, let me turn it on one more time. What I'm gonna do here, you know what, let's just let's try to reload the operating system. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna try to reload the operating system. All right, I have my portable USB here. So what you do, you have to connect it on the USB port. All right. So what you do now, you tap F12. And then you go down, you select a USB. And then you hit enter. Okay guys, I think I know why this machine is shutting down. Let's switch it off. Cause I repeat again, you have to understand everything when you are dealing with any laptop, with any issues. I think here the issue that we have, the machine is overheating. Okay guys, remember when I turn on this machine, remember what happened, right? It's turned on and then after 3 minutes it quickly went off, right? So it means we have to check the heatsink. Oops, I have to look for the screw. Went somewhere. Okay guys, we have to check for heatsink. Eyeball. Okay, I'm gonna show you everything step by step. For this machine, it's overheating, and again there was a problem with what, with a RAM. So it's two things here, a RAM issue and this machine is overheating. Okay, I want to show you why it's overheating. See there, so you can see with that amount of dust blocking the air circulation there, it becomes a serious issue. We have to clean the fan.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody. We all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not that we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up.